Hi there. Welcome to this week's Wednesday walk. We're at Pinhey Forest sector, and this is located again right behind the Nepean Sportsplex. So come along with me. Let's go for a walk and see this great place. Surrounded by the neighborhoods of Merivale Gardens, Grenfell Glen, Pineglen, and Country Place hides something remarkable: Pinhey Forest, home to Ottawa's only inland sand dune complex. But these are not your everyday dunes. They were born over 10,000 years ago when this land lay beneath the ancient Champlain Sea, a remnant of glacial retreat and subtle geological forces. In 2011, Biodiversity Conservancy International teamed up with the National Capital Commission to restore this hidden ecosystem. The goal: reclaim open sandbanks, encourage native plant species, and protect rare insects like the ghost tiger beetle and the monarch butterflies that rely on this habitat. Today, the trails wind through leafy pines, guiding curious visitors from shaded forests into stark, open dunes, a dramatic contrast. You're walking through 10 millennia of history, framed by soaring trees and soft sand. Respect the boundaries. These are fragile dunes being actively restored by volunteers, scientists, and passionate community crews. Pinhey Forest is more than a trail. It's a living lesson in transformation, from sea floor to sand dunes to forest, and now back toward balance. This is Ottawa's secret slice of ancient nature, restored step by step. Thanks for joining me this week. Join me next week when we go to the experimental farm walkway. See you then.